Hi, Sarah here with a planner decorating video for you today. I am using my Prima A5 planner and the kit I'll be using is from Fab Planner Print and is called Summer Days. I do have a code for this kit which is 10SARAH, which gets you 10% off, no minimum order. And I'm also using these washies here which are from Snail Mail by Jodie. And the reason why I do frame my pages is because I am using a personal size kit in an A5 planner, so it still works perfectly well. You just need to add a bit of washi here and there because obviously it's slightly taller. So I've used that mint green and flower washi there, and now I'm using the washi strips out of the actual kit, and then I will add more washi to the top as well where it stops short of the top. I'm adding some down the sides to reinforce, and also just to, it looks prettier than the colour of the page underneath. I'm adding this cute bow one to the top, and that will frame my whole page so that the planner stickers fit much better. So now I've framed that, I've got a little gap at the top, so I add those two thin strips there, and now I'm adding my meal plan for the week sticker down the side, a decorative one followed by a cleaning schedule one which I will add clean to one of the little stickers afterwards, and a little decorative one just to fill in that tiny gap down the side there. I'm now adding the days of the week, which I'm layering slightly over the top of the washi strips just because I think it looks nice. And then I'm adding these three check lists down the sides. There's only 3 checks to the lists, which is fine by me because quite often when they're long ones I just end up overwhelmed and only doing about 3 things on my list anyway, so is probably more practical than big long lists, to be honest. I've added a little flag with a planner sticker and with a circle. I'm also adding little things, notes and to do, and then I'm adding a few extra boxes at the top which will be this week and next week to add extra notes of anything important I need to remember to pass over from one week to the next. I'm putting down my bin day so I don't forget, and also the box next to it I can put which bin it is, if it's recycle or normal. And I'm also adding my trackers and a few extra boxes for extra notes down the side, as well as my sheet washing day and my shopping for the week, which will be online, which is just a reminder that I put there. I'm also expecting a package on Friday, so I've added a little envelope there which I did grab from a different kit that had almost used up just to use that sticker up. I'm now adding just some pretty stickers here and there around the edges just to make it look pretty, and I think I am pretty much done. So if you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more from me, then please do like and subscribe. I do also do mixed media and scrapbooking videos as well, so keep an eye out for that. I've also got quite a few haul videos here and there. And yes, please go and check out Fab Planner Print and see what goodies they've got in the store. So thanks for joining me and have a great day everyone. Stay tuned for a picture at the end. Bye!